Church's chicken originated in San Antonio, Texas. I was thinking it was Atlanta, Georgia, but it's actually San Antonio, Texas in 1952. And then they added fries and jalapenos in 1955. And these always get the cold jalapenos. They offer you the one that's warm, but the cold one is really fire, guys. Really. Ooh, babies. I am so glad this is all protein and no starch. It is so delicious to me. Okay? Run on down to your nearest churches and hit them up. This is a breast. This was 2 breasts. They didn't have any wings, so hey, had to hit them up with the breast. But anyway, guys, thank y'all so much for listening. It is perfect. It was fried perfect. And I'll see you guys in the next video.